Today, let's make these gorgeous roast sprouted aloo tikki chaat that is floral, light and so flavorful. We will start by steaming our moong sprouts until they are just cooked but still nice and firm. Then for our tikki, grate some potatoes for that smooth texture, and in goes our fresh breadcrumbs, red chili powder and salt. Mix this all until it becomes smooth and comes together. I wanted the sticky stuffing to be super fresh and bright, so I will mix our moong sprouts with ginger, fresh turmeric and chilies, roasted cashews, raisins, coconut, cilantro, and in goes our pomegranate seeds that are going to add such incredible dimension to this. Place some of our sprouted filling inside the potato and then fold it over like this. And now you can shape them into tikkis. And for our floral rose yogurt, we will mix yogurt with salt, sugar, rose water and beetroot juice until it becomes rosy. Pan fry our aloo tikki until they get this gorgeous golden brown crust. And here the trick is to be very patient and very gentle with these for an even golden color. And now it's time to assemble. Place some rose yogurt into your glass. Top with a few drops of beetroot juice and mix to get this beautiful swirl effect. And now we will place our stuffed tikki along with cilantro chutney, mint chutney, chaat masala, bhujiya and pomegranate seeds. I truly can't get enough of this. So over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.